My name is Elsie. I am the owner of Beelsiebub Nailz. I graduated BA Ffilm from University of South Wales in 2022. Being a business owner means a lot of things. The first things that came to my mind was freedom and empowerment and responsibility. I think there are a lot of hidden things that you don't think about when you first decide to become a business owner. And the responsibility is a big thing, but actually the freedom of it is just outweighs everything else. Things that I love about being self-employed are, like I mentioned before, the freedom. The freedom is amazing, and the creativity of every single day. There are a lot of challenges in what I do. So it's not just about doing the nails for me now. Because I'm self-employed, I'm also the business owner, the content creator, I'm the booking system, I have to buy all the products. So comes under responsibility. The ways I stay creative and inspired throughout this job is honestly by the community I surround myself with. I think it's really important, being a nail artist, that you surround yourself with other creatives in the industry who can uplift you and also inspire you, but also having a really friendly client base, having a really lovely client base, because you look forward to coming in every day, you feel more relaxed, and then the freedom of creativity is just there for you. The advice I would give to aspiring business owners is, it's a leap in the dark. How exciting is that? Just go for it. You have to believe in yourself. You have to move forward with purpose and just trust that you will land on your feet. It's always going to be scary. There's always going to be ups and downs, but just know the reason that you're doing what you're doing and stick with it, and make sure you have a good community around you to support you.